Hi guys, it's Monday and that means we have science class today, so we're playing some Tyto Ecology and we voted to add something to our biodome. We're going to add another consumer because these joint fur are getting eaten like crazy because there are way too many rabbits. So there are 16 plus, there are 4 adults and 12 juveniles. So there are less now, there's only 16 now. I forget how many there were before, but it was a ton. So the king snakes are doing their job. Their average hunger is 83. And the deer mice, the deer mice are probably serving as food for them too. But we voted to add another producer because what's a producer, you say? Did you say what's a producer? I don't know. You might have, you might not have, but we're going to look it up anyways. So a producer, if you recall, I've asked you this a couple of times and people haven't come up with the word, so I'm going to tell you what producer is again. Producer is an organism that is able to create nutrients to survive. It does not consume other organisms. So these are plants and trees and bushes and all those kind of things. So I believe we voted to add the desert spoon. So we are going to add the desert spoon. So we're gonna add a bunch of these because, well, those are kind of cool. They have a very tropical look to them. We're gonna add a bunch because of the fact that we have like 8 million rabbits. All right, I can't overlap other things. Let's put them anywhere they can fit till we run out of those lightning things. Ah, we ran out. So this is the desert spoon, guys. That's pretty cool. I think it grows this little thing up here or something. I don't know, maybe not. I don't see that in the plants we just planted, but it doesn't mean it won't be there. And we still have our pollinators, so those are fine. How are these? Oh, the mushroom population is 22. Those are good. So, and our detritus level, I just saw our detritus level. Detritus level is 1. There's 2. So we're good. We are keeping detritus under control, which is what we want to do. If I speed this up, we can gain more lightning faster. So we're going to add another... we're going to add another carnivore, because these pesky rabbits, there's way too many of them. Although, the snakes are eating them. There are 4 out of 11 now, so another one, oh, they're eating the babies. I think because the babies are the rabbits that are big enough, or small enough, big enough. It's a dumb thing to say. This snake is sleeping, so is this rabbit. Don't sleep near the snake. Sleep somewhere else. All right. Oh yeah, we can add a lot more of these desert spoons. Desert spoon. There we go. Place. Ooh, monthly income. So our animal diversity is 6.667. Health average is 100%. Our plant diversity is 2.354, and health average is 89%. Probably because the rabbits are eating them like crazy. There we go. We're going to put a ton of these. Oh, let's see. A couple more. Oh, I have it on fast speed now, so it probably won't... We probably won't run out of lightning like we did last time. So we're going to put a bunch of these in so that there's enough food. Okay, so now we're going to add another carnivore. So, what are our choices for carnivores? We have boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we have the bobcat. The bobcat is a medium carnivore. Let's look up the bobcat and see what we can find out about the bobcat. Let's go to species, B for Bob. Alright, bobcats are strictly carnivores. They prey on small mammals, fish, reptiles, and birds, as well as larger prey like juvenile deer. Adult bobcats have few worries when it comes to being eaten, though large predators like cougars have been known to attack bobcats. This is uncommon. Baby bobcats, however, are likely to become a snack for many other predators, including foxes and eagles. The bobcat's adaptable nature allows it to survive even near human areas, though this doesn't mean that the two species always get along. Bobcats sometimes make meals out of pets or livestock like chickens, which led to many humans thinking of bobcats as pests. Though bobcats have trouble resisting a chicken dinner, attacks on humans are very rare, so they don't really attack humans. I don't think they're big enough. So that's one of our carnivores we can add. Let's look. Desert tortoise, that would be fun to add. We added the... we didn't add a rattle. We don't want to add another snake. This owl is a carnivore. I think the owl would probably eat the little mice, the deer mice. Oh, coyote is... Oh, the Gila monster. The coyote is an omnivore. So let's vote between the coyote and the bobcat. So it's the coyote or the bobcat. The badger's an omnivore too. We could throw that in there too. So the bobcat, the badger, or what was the other one? Or the coyote. The bobcat, the badger, or the coyote. Those are our choices. Okay. So let's look up the coyote. Alright, coyotes are primarily carnivores and will eat anything from small animals to carrion. Carrion is when, like, something dies. Like, if a deer or something gets hit by a car and dies on the road, it's called carrion because it just kind of dies and sits there. Generally, coyotes are meat eaters and will hunt live prey. They prefer smaller animals like mice and rabbits. Ooh. So they hunt frequently. They will also eat insects occasionally. Some humans consider coyotes to be a nuisance because they will attack livestock or even pets. Adult coyotes don't have any major predators, though they would lose a fight with an adult wolf or cougar. Pups are in danger of becoming prey to bobcats, eagles, and other carnivores. Though coyotes are not always pack animals, many still rely on teamwork. Some coyotes form hunting partnerships with badgers. Well, so badgers and coyotes work together. I've earned 18. That's good. Congratulations for me. Coyotes are fast runners, but they are not very good at digging prey out of a hole if it tries to escape into its burrow. Badgers are not very quick on land, but are excellent diggers who can quickly reach an animal who has fled underground. Together, coyotes and badgers leave no escape for their prey. Go team coyote badger. And then let's... Oh, I don't want to do that. Let's look up the badger. Badgers are omnivores who will eat almost anything provided it is small enough to catch. They usually dig for their food, which is bad news for burrowing creatures like mice, rabbits, and prairie dogs. Badgers will also eat frogs, insects, snakes, bird eggs. This guy will eat like anything we have. Snakes, bird eggs, and carrion. Badgers are so tough they'll even eat bees and rattlesnakes. Because of their fierce nature, few predators are willing to take a full-grown badger on. Babies, however, are vulnerable to predators like coyotes and eagles. Wolves and bears will sometimes attack adults. If a person is being relentlessly bothered by someone, we say that they are being badgered. While badgers will relentlessly pursue prey, this is not why badger exists as a verb. To badger someone comes from a medieval practice of forcing badgers and dogs to fight each other. This practice, I did not know this at all. This practice was called badger baiting or badgering and usually resulted in the badger's death. The dogs were often seriously injured or killed as well. Look, you got a social studies lesson. So, that is the badger. So we're voting on the coyote, the badger, or the bobcat. So this is our biodome now. So we're gonna add. Oh, what is the matter? What's wrong with the jackrabbits? They're almost all dead. Cannot reproduce, place more of this species. So, did the snakes kill them all? How did that happen? That's weird. Okay. There was only 5 more weeks till there were more rabbits. I don't know what happened. There's plenty of food. Maybe just because we added the 2 king snakes? I don't know. I didn't think it was so much that they would all die. Anyways, so let's add a I guess we'll add some more jackrabbits. I don't want them to be gone. Kind of messes things up. Do. Jackrabbits. Oh, I can't place it there. It's too close. All right. All right. Can you? All right. Good. All right. So now I guess the snakes ate the jackrabbits. It's not a food issue because there's lots of food now. It must be that there's too many snakes. That king snake is hungry. Yeah, that's... Okay, so that's interesting. So the jackrabbits all got eaten, and now the king snakes are hungry. And see, that's what happens. If they eat all of the food, then there's no food, and then they'll starve to death. So that's why you have to have balance. Always, always, always need to have a balance. All right, so anyways... Guys, that's, I think, going to be it for this episode of Tyto Ecology. You know, next time we'll vote on adding some bigger stuff. Like maybe some of these big cactuses or trees or something. There are some big acacia trees are kind of big. The mesquite trees are kind of big. So, oh look, our desert spoon is pollinated. When it's pollinated, I guess it gets that little thing on the top. That's cool. All right, so guys, that's it for today. We're gonna add whatever you vote for, and then we'll do another episode. It'll be the week after Thanksgiving, guys. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great week. Short week this week. Woohoo! All right, bye, guys.